Defense Secretary Volter Gazmin claimed that the docking of U.S. warships in the West Philippine Sea is an acceptable scenario. By virtue of the Visiting Forces Agreement of the Philippines and the United States of America, American ships are permitted to dock on Philippine territories. Gazmin said this will prove if China remains true to its word that a freedom of navigation exists in the disputed seas.
Those areas, sir, what can we say about that?
They've always been doing that in the first place. They said that they will fly, they will sail in the areas that they've been doing before, just to prove that there is freedom of navigation. Ayan ay pinapakita na sumusunod sila sa rule of law. Ngayon, yung paggawa ng Amerika niyan ay karapatan nila dahil ginagawa, they've been doing this all along. This will prove kung magkakaroon ng challenge sa kanila, then there is no freedom of navigation.